Outside again, and this time I'm going to show you how to take this attachment off. I have a link in the description. But the thing with this is I don't have a spacer, and as you can see, this has a little bit of give, right? But gravity will, keep this thing down. So the key is that this nut is not the same size as this the rod that's coming out. Whenever this, basically what the motor spins to have the blades go like this. So the way I solve this problem is by using friction. And here, what I'm doing is I'm keeping it all the way up. I'm going to take this off and then I'll reattach it so you can actually see me do it. But I have to go clockwise to loosen this. So hopefully I can do this on camera so you can actually see it. Hopefully I'm getting this good. Okay, there we go. Boom. That's simple. Here, let me reorientate it so you can see it. So this is the nut, right? This nut is this, and as you can see, I did not strip the threads, but you have to be very, very careful not to do that. I did kind of beat this up a little bit, but this goes counterclockwise. So let's get this on here just so we can, see it in action. And very simple. So you put this attachment on. Whoa. All right, this is gonna be fun, trying to get this thing on camera. But basically, you wanna just, thread it a little bit. And then you wanna just kind of pull this up like this. And then you can turn. I believe I gotta go, whoops. This is gonna be hard to really, do this because this is very awkward to kind of do it, but I'll try to do it as much on camera as possible. So let's see if I get this right this way. That's going off. I was supposed to go counterclockwise. You get to see my fail. And this is the one that just came with that kit. Let's see if we can get it. See if we can cook with some gas today. Okay, so it's slightly on. I just wanted to catch just a little. Okay, I think I did. Nope, I didn't. Oh, wait, I may have this on the wrong way. Let's go counterclockwise slightly. Okay, it feels like it's just catching. Okay, I think I got it. Let's see. Oh no, I didn't get it. You know what? I think I can just do this. I think I can just get it this way. And sorry if this is a little bit hard to see. But it's not completely catching. There we go. I got it to catch. Okay, so I'm just going to tighten this up a little bit. Sorry if this isn't on camera. Okay, so I think I got it tight. Now, the thing is, it would be better if this had a spacer. But as you can see, I'll turn it this way. It's on. That's it. Just need a screwdriver. That's it. So, got any questions? This is, I would say, relatively safe, even though it doesn't have a spacer. I would give it a safety score of 8 out of 10. But that's all I got today. If you have additional questions, let me know. And as you can see, I took this thing off and put it back on with just a screwdriver. I kind of tried to go counterclockwise at least 2 or 3 times, and gravity will keep this down, and this is attached. It's not coming off. And what happens is as you start to use it, it'll actually make it go further down here. Like it'll actually get tighter over time, but it's not going to go to a point where it's so much friction that you don't have to worry about it stripping anything or anything like that. But be careful. Don't try to make it past like kind of hand tight, because again, it'll automatically tighten as you go along. This attachment isn't technically right for this. I think I saw some other videos that kind of showed, like it was a screw that they were able to get or some kit that they were able to get that had a spacer and all that stuff, but I couldn't find it. I tried to look for this brand. I couldn't. That's what I really have. This video is running a bit long. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this was helpful. If you got any questions, please drop it, a comment in the comment section. And that's all I got. So please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and that's all I got today. Bye.